Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Sun Academy. In this lecture, we are going to solve question of accounts of business purchase in financial account for FY BCom. As you can see, the question is the business of Karthik was acquired by Ganesh Company Limited with effect from 1/4/22, but the debtors of 75 lakh and creditors of 50 lakh were not taken, and it was agreed that company will collect from debtors and pay to creditors at 3% rate of commission on all transactions. Debtors of 5 lakh did not pay while 5% bad debts occurred, and creditors of 2 lakh were not paid and the remaining were paid at 2% discount. Company paid the balance amount to vendor, draw journal and prepare all accounts. Now first entry will be of debtors. Company had not taken the debtors, and debtors of 75 lakh will be debited and suspense account will be credited. So first entry will be vendors debtors account debit 75 lakh to vendors suspense account. Being vendors debtor were transferred to suspense account. Now vendor debtors account is debit how much? 75 lakh because of suspense account. So to suspense account, while by debtors account 75 lakh. Now creditors vendors suspense account debit 50 lakh to vendors creditors account. Being vendors creditors were taken to pay. Now suspense account is debit because of creditors, so to creditors account 50 lakh, while creditors account is credit because of suspense account, so by suspense account 50 lakh. Now debtors of 5 lakh were kept aside, so remaining debtors of 70 lakh had paid after 5% bad debt. So 70 lakh to 5% will be 3,50,000. So amount will come bank account debit 66 lakh 50,000, vendors suspense account debit 3 lakh 50,000 to vendors debtors account 70 lakh. Being amount paid by debtors. Now debtors are credit because of bank and suspense. So my bank account 66 lakh 50,000 and my suspense account 3 lakh 50,000, and suspense account is debit 3 lakh 50,000 because of debtors. So to debtors account 3 lakh 50,000. In this way debtors were cleared. Then after it is creditors were paid at 2% discount, but creditors of 2 lakh were not paid. So creditors were of 50 lakh, creditors of 2 lakh will pay later. 47 lakh 4,000 will be paid. Vendors creditors account debit 48 lakh to bank account 47 lakh 4,000 to vendors suspense account 96,000. After 2% deducting they were paid, being creditors were paid. Now creditors are debit because of bank and suspense. So to bank account 47 lakh 4,000 and to suspense account 96,000. Now suspense account is credit because of creditors. So by creditors account 96,000. Now comes the number of commission. Commission is 3% on all transactions. So 66 lakh 50,000 plus 47 lakh 4,000 into 3%. Adding both these figures will be multiplied with 3%. Now here amount came 66 lakh 50,000 minus 47 lakh 4,000. So suspense account will be debited 6 lakh 65,000 66 lakh 50,000 minus 47 lakh 4,000. So vendors suspense account debit 19 lakh 46,000 to commission account to bank account. Now commission happens to be 66 lakh 50,000 plus 47 lakh 4,000 into 3%. 3 lakh 40,000 620 and balance amount 16 lakh 5,380 will be paid to vendor, being balance was paid to vendor after commission. Now suspense account is debit because of commission and bank. So to bank account 16 lakh 5,380 and to commission account 3 lakh 40,620. Now debtors were remained as a balance of 5 lakh. So this account will be closed by writing balance CD 5 lakh. Creditors of 2 lakh also remained to be unpaid. So in this way, writing on the debit side to balance CD, this account will also be closed. Now suspense account 75 lakh plus 96,000 minus debtors of 50 lakh minus 3 lakh 50,000, 16 lakh 5,000, 380 and 3 lakh 40,620. So balance will remain of 3 lakhs. So 75 lakh 96,000 will be the total of suspense account. As debtors of 5 lakh remained and creditors of 2 lakh remain to be unpaid, so balance of suspense account will be 3 lakh. We repeat again, debtors of 75 lakh were to taken for collection, so debtors account debit to suspense account. Creditors of 50 lakh were taken to pay, so suspense to creditors. Now debtors of 5 lakh were kept aside that because they will pay later. So balance of 70 lakh of debtors were cleared after 5% bad debts. So bank account debits of 5% will be deducted from 70 lakh, that will be 3 lakh 50,000. After debiting bad debts, 66 lakh 50,000 will be paid by the debtors. 3 lakh 50,000 will be debited to suspense account and debtors of 70 lakh will be cleared. So on debtors, creditors account, credit side account, bank account and suspense account will be credited. Creditors of 2 lakh were kept aside, so remained paid after 2% discount. Creditors were debited 48 lakh, 2% discount came to 96 lakh, that suspense account will be credited, and balance of 47 lakh 4,000 will be paid to creditors. In this way, on debit side of the creditors account, 47 lakh 4,000 and 96,000 was returned to bank and to suspense. Now 66 lakh 50,000 came and 47 lakh 4,000 were paid. On both these amount, 3% commission will be calculated, that will be 3 lakh 40,620. 66 lakh 50,000 came, 47 lakh 4,000 were paid. So from this figure, 47 lakh will be subtracted and commission will be subtracted. That means 16 lakh 5,380 will be paid to vendors by the company. Suspense account will be debited. From this figure, subtract this figure, you will get balance which will be debited to suspense account, to commission, to bank account, and this will be posted to suspense account 34620 and 16 lakh 5,380, and we will get the balance of suspense account as 3 lakh. Now if you want to learn more and more on this chapter, do follow our channel, subscribe if you haven't still subscribed, share the link of our videos and do comment.